Hey guys, it's Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. Sorry for the hand wave. I'm still outside. This is video number 3 today. I'm going to do an 11 by 14 SheleeArt style. I'm going to blow it out, but I'm going to do a little experiment that I'll talk about in a minute. But let me get my house paint down on this canvas here. I have a little bit more inside, but hopefully this will be enough. I'll save a little bit. I'm going to line up my colors, same colors as the last video. All that info, ingredients, etc. will come up on the screen. And I'm going to do a messy blowout. I'm going to put my colors down. I'm going to put the darker colors up front. So I'm going to do the blue. I'm going to do that red. I'm going to take this peach like that. I keep calling it peach. It's more of a coral. This blue-green color. And then finally this purple. And I have titanium white with Australian Floetrol mixed up. That worked really well in the last video, same batch. But what I thought I would do, I just wanted to do a little experiment. And I'm going to take, I'm going to take my titanium white in this little 3-ounce cup, and I'm going to put some in here. That's about all I'm going to need today anyway. I always make big batches. And then I'm going to tint it, or try to tint it and see if it still works as a cell activator. And I'm going to tint it with my quinacridone nickel azo gold, the high flow. Not the just fluid acrylics, this is the high flow stuff. It's very inky and it has crud on the top and doesn't want to open up. And put a couple drops of that in. Oh, I need a stick. How about this stick? Oh, I gotta grab a stick. Oh, no, that stick will work, right? Yep, hold on, got a stick. And give that a stir. And change the color of my cell activator. I might have to add a little more. I wanted it like an orangey yellow color. And I'm going to need a little more, but there, I changed the color of it. Just give that another squirt. Like that, just that much, that's all you need. And let's see if we can change this cell activator color without having to use another color. Just tint the titanium white. Oh, that's pretty, right? A nice orangey yellow. Hopefully this works, because if not, it just better work. That's all I gotta say. Put that right down the middle. And then I'm gonna blow that out with my hairdryer. All right, let's see if this works. Let me turn this toward me a little bit. So cool air, high fan. That did not work, y'all. Look at that. It did not work one iota. I mean, a little bit. That's more just force of the hairdryer. But there is virtually no cells in the middle, no lacing, no nothing. You SOB. That did not, well, I'm glad I didn't do it to my whole cup, you know? Wow. Learned something new today. Let's just flip this all over. Yeah. Even where I blasted it there, I mean, I can I'll try to stick my head in there and give it a little puff, but I can't reach and my sides are just way too messy. See, if I touch it, I guess I could pick it up, but I don't think it's gonna do anything. Nope, nope, nothing at all. It was like, lady, nope. And I used the high flow stuff because it's so thin. I thought, well, if I add like tube paint or just fluid acrylics, it would be too thick with the Australian Floetrol. But that's why I went the high flow, just, you know, a little bit of that. And I thought, well, maybe it would do something, but nuh-uh. I don't want to waste this paint. I am just going to flip this all over and reuse it. It doesn't have to be perfect. Kind of like that. And we'll give this another go and we'll just use the regular Floetrol. Lesson there, y'all. Lesson learned there. Another experiment for you that you don't have to try. All right. Oh, don't be giving me cells now. That's just the bubbles popping, actually. So the blue. The red. I kind of love this color. I'm gonna throw some more of that light blue on there. It's like a medium blue. Let's kind of kill this off a little bit, add a little more. A couple little streaks. And a deep purple. So much for making coasters, because I killed off all my paint and I'm not going to make more. All right, let's try it with just the regular white. See if it likes that better. Likes it a ton better. A ton better. Look at that. I want to pick this up. Give a puff in the middle. I might not worry about those so much. I might leave some of that white. All right, let's put it back. Ugh, my poor sweater. Give it a second. Maybe tilt a little bit. Ugh. Down this way. Let's get onto the corners a little bit. That one. And back. And over to this one. Well, don't go running off. And back. Something like that. All right. I love the red and blue. I do. All right, ready? I think we're good to go. That was that was a really lame spin. Oh, it's so pretty right there. Oh, this is turning out though. This is Lace City. Let me go lefty style. There we go, that was better. Don't go flying off. I'm going to give a tilt to this one corner. Bring that red down. And spread out some of the stuff in the middle too. Get a little closer. Another spin or two should do it though. You can press right there and right there. That was a good spin. A lot of paint went flying. Oh, I lost my red lacing. Bummer. It was too close to the end. That's really pretty. Wow. I'm always amazed at this technique. I am. Do I want to center it just a little bit? So you got the big cells in the middle. Oh, it's really suctioned from stretching it out. Can you guys see that? Come down a little bit. Center just a little bit. Red and blue, touch of purple, very Turkish to me. If I'm doing anything else? No, I think that guy's done too. That's 2 for 2 with those, y'all. Ta-da! Yeah, really like those colors a lot. I'm done. I'm a giant mess. I don't even think I can show my face. Can I turn this? Can I go up? I got my headband on. I'm a mess. I hope you guys enjoyed. That was a quick little one, hopefully. And I'll see you in a few days. I'm going to go back. Got to conquer the tree ring sooner or later. So that's what I'll be doing. See you guys. Take care.